In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country in Steam. So first of all, launch your Steam on your laptop or PC, and then here you can see the account options. Tap on account details. After that, wait a bit for it to load. And then here under account details, you can see country. Since I'm in this country, I can see the country Nepal option. Tap on update your store country and tap on contact Steam support. After tapping on it, scroll down a bit and tap on contact Steam support again. But here you can see you don't really have the option of changing the country. So what you can do is the easy way is download a VPN on your laptop. After downloading a VPN, you may just change the VPN to a specific country, and then in that way you can, after your VPN is connected, you may just go back to your accounts profile, and on your country you can see that your country has been changed into another country. So in that way you can change your country in Steam within some steps. So thank you for watching this video.